Hi there, I'm Nathan from Keenz, Philippines, and I'm very excited to unbox and show you the parts and features of the new Keenz Air Plus 3.0 Compact Stroller, the latest version of our best-selling Air Plus stroller line. So let's unbox. So right off the box, you'll see the stroller and all the accessories and parts inside the travel bag. This is the dark gray version. When you open it up, you'll see the user manual. In front, you'll find the two front wheels. At the back, you'll find the included rain cover. And here at the bottom, you'll get the two rear wheels. So as I mentioned, this is the travel bag. The other accessories are still inside the basket, so first, let's attach the wheels. The front wheels go here. And then the rear wheels are attached down here. It's very easy. Now that we have attached the wheels, it can easily stand up like this. So now this is the Air Plus 3.0 when it's folded. Let's unfold it. First, open the lock here, and in one swift motion, just open it up until you hear the click. The mosquito net can be found here, as well as the brand new cup holder. And of course, one more accessory found here would be the additional seat pad. This is the Air Plus 3.0 when it's fully open. Let me show you the different parts and features. Let's start with the handles. It has a leather cover which gives it a very classic look. It's also strong enough that it can carry up to 7 kilograms without toppling over. As you can see here, an additional wrist strap for added security. Now let's move on to the canopy. First, our UPF 50++ canopy can be extended. This is just to protect baby from additional sunlight. The 3.0 also features 3 different mesh windows. First, the large mesh window. This gives the Air Plus 3.0 additional airflow. Over here, there's also a peekaboo window, so you can see the baby when he or she is sleeping. Finally, a third window here at the back. But first, a small pocket here for your gadgets, small items. When you unzip these two, you can actually roll to reveal a third window. So, in terms of airflow, comfort for the baby, the Air Plus 3.0 is the best. This stroller is perfect for newborns. As you can see, the backrest is fully reclinable, but you can easily adjust it to any sitting position you want just by pulling the strap here at the back. This is now the seated position of the backrest. The stroller is very strong. It can carry kids up to 30 kilograms. Here in front, we have the bumper bar, which can rotate 360 degrees and can be removed. Now let me show you the safety harness, the 5-point safety harness here. It can easily be unlocked. It has shoulder straps and waist straps to make sure that the baby is comfortable but secure in the stroller. To lock it in, just have to push these in. And finally, for additional comfort, we have the adjustable footrest. And to put it down, you just have to push here. Now, let me tell you about one of the most unique features of this stroller, and that is the world's largest stroller basket. It can hold up to 40 liters in capacity and carry up to 20 kilograms worth of items. Adding the 30 kilograms carrying capacity of the seat plus the 20 kilograms of the basket, this makes the total carrying capacity of this stroller 50 kilograms. You can easily expand the basket just by putting this section here and attaching the locks here and in both sides. This stroller can also be a 2-in-1 pet stroller. There is a door here that allows your fur babies to go in and out. Or, if the backrest is fully reclined, you can easily access your items right here. The Air Plus 3.0 is really the strongest of them all. The frame is made of space-grade aluminum, making it very tough but lightweight at the same time. It's only 6.8 kilograms. The wheels are also made of very durable materials, making it suitable for most terrains. And it has the Keenz patented ball bearing and suspension technology, both in the rear and the front wheels. And pushing it, it's very smooth. And to stop it, there's a one-step braking system over here. Now let's fold the stroller. To fold it, simply push the button here, going to the left, and then press, then push it down. Make sure that the lock is secure here. This stroller can fit in most overhead compartments, and as you can see, there's also a travel handle here, so you can pull it like a luggage. Now let me show you how to attach all of our accessories in the Air Plus 3.0. Let's start with the new 2-in-1 cup and phone holder. Just attach the Velcro here and secure it tightly. To remove, just pull on the Velcro there. Next, let's do the mosquito net. Make sure that this part is aligned here. Then you can lock on these sides and at the bottom here. Next, I will show you how to attach the rain cover. This is the front side of the rain cover. Make sure that it's aligned on the front of the stroller. There are Velcro straps here that you can use to lock the rain cover in place. As you can see, the rain cover covers from head to toe. And finally, let's attach the seat pad. To attach the seat pad, first, remove the bumper bar. And next, open the harness, detach the shoulders, and remove the pads one by one. And finally, you can attach the extra seat pad. You can see the holes here where you will insert the different parts of the harness. With that, you can now put the pads back. And just lock them now in place again.